y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be decluttering my closet. As you can see, this closet is a hot mess express. I had so many things piled up, and it's been maybe like over a year since I've decluttered this closet, so it has gotten really out of hand. So what I'm going to be doing is taking everything out of this closet and placing it on my bed, because my room, this is my master bedroom closet, so I'm going to be placing everything on my bed, and then I'm going to just start off with a clean slate. So I will be throwing away some things out of these bins, and you will see in a little bit that I throw away like some old curling irons, some old flat irons from like 10 years ago that I had in hair school was in here that I just could not let go, but I had to declutter it because, as you can see, this closet was just overwhelming. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. You will also see me cooking at the end of this video also. So stick around, stay tuned, and I hope you get some motivation from this video. Yeah, so after I've wiped down the shelves in the closet, like I said, I placed all my bins on my bed, and what I'm doing is it's just throwing away everything that is old, expired, that needs to be thrown out. And then so I'm putting all that in the trash bag that's on the left, and then on the right I am placing things that I want to keep, and I'm doing it bin by bin. So I use one bin, I throw away, put aside what I want, throw away what I don't want, and then put back in the bin what I do want, and then I move on to the next bin. I don't want to take everything out of the bin and have everything out of all the bins. I don't want to take everything out of all the bins and then just be so overwhelmed with things everywhere. So I did it bin by bin. I decluttered one bin, restacked it up together, right, and then I did another bin so that it won't be so overwhelming for me. That's what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, so today's video scripture comes from Matthew 25:23, and it says, "And the Lord said unto him, Well done, good and faithful servant. Thou hast been faithful over a few things. I will make thee ruler over many things. Enter thou into the joy of thy Lord." And this scripture is near and dear to my heart because God has been dealing with me for the past few weeks on, just being faithful over the little things that I have so that he can multiply that and, breathe on that. And so I've been leaving in God for some things in my life, and I have not been faithful over that situation. I have not been consistent with that situation. And God told me that you have to act like you are living in that blessing right now for me to be able to see that you're ready for that blessing. So I'm here to let you guys know that if you are a procrastinator, if you are a person that, want God to do something, but you're not putting the work in, I'm here to tell you, start to put that work in, trust and believe in God at the same time. Keep going, keep striving, and he gonna do what he gotta do for you.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh,
Okay, y'all, so now that I am done putting things up, now at the bottom you see me putting some little clear plastic thingies at the bottom. Those are like dividers for like towels that I got off of Amazon, and you won't see me put the towels in here, but you will see the towels at the end of the video. But the bottom of the closet has my hair dryer, and it has my humidifier and stuff right there. I almost forgot about that area, so I'm cleaning that area out. I'm taking everything out, and then I'm going to be sweeping and mopping because it was very dusty and very dirty. They had like hair products, shampoo, and all that. They may have like fell at the bottom, rubber bands and stuff, band-aids and all that fell at the bottom, that was trapped behind the dryer and stuff. So I'm sweeping all that up. I'm going to be mopping, and then I'm going to be placing the stuff back in. So yeah, I'm finally done with this closet, and it looks 10 times better. I know it's not that much aesthetically pleasing. It's not Pinterest worthy looking type of closet, but it is organized, it is clean, it is decluttered. Moving on to this dish. This is my Cajun chicken pasta recipe. So as you see, I am stirring up my noodles, and I put a little bit of chicken broth in those noodles to give it a little extra kick. I am browning my chicken. So I usually use those thin sliced chicken breasts, but today I decided to use chicken strips. So I have my veggies and stuff cooking and sauteing, and I'm adding a little bit of minced garlic. I've added a little bit of maybe like a tablespoon of tomato paste. Once my onions and bell peppers starts to brown, that's when I add my tomato paste and my garlic. And now I'm adding some heavy whipping cream. This is, I think, like a half a pint, and I pour the whole thing in there, or you can pour less or you can pour more depending on how many people you're cooking for. I put that heavy whipping cream in the pan, and I'm letting that simmer. And then I'm going to be adding my Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to be adding my chicken bouillon in there to add a little extra kick. The recipe calls for chicken broth, but I didn't have chicken broth, so I used some chicken bouillon. And I actually like the chicken bouillon better because it has a better flavor than chicken broth to me. Stirring that up, letting that simmer, and then I'm adding my Parmesan cheese. And yes, I used the grated Parmesan cheese in the can, in the shaker. I actually like it in the shaker better. I've tried some authentic kind that you shred yourself, and I really did not like how it tastes. So I am satisfied with this little shaker thingy, the craft shaker Parmesan cheese. I'm fine with that. Now I'm adding my onion powder and my garlic powder and some Cajun seasoning to the mixture as it's bubbling up and simmering and stuff. Stirring that up, letting that boil up and thicken up that cheese. And now we're going to add our pen pasta. Well, we're going to drain the pen pasta, and then we're going to add the pen pasta inside of the cheese mixture, the sauce mixture. Stir that up real well. And when I tell y'all, this was so good. It was so good. It almost tasted like Cheddar's. I don't know if you guys ever heard of the restaurant Cheddar's, but they have like a Cajun chicken pasta over there that I love. And this tasted almost identical to cheddars, and it was so good. So I'm mixing that up, stirring that up, and all the whatnots. Added a little bit of parsley to it. I added a little bit too much parsley. I just wanted to garnish it a little bit, but that was a little accident, but it's all good. It still tasted good. Parsley don't have no taste to it. And this is the plate. I had videoed the plate, but I didn't press record. So this is like a picture of the plate. And yeah, y'all. So thank you guys for tuning in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.